Okay, it's time for PSSA Power 93, and in the first one we are going to start with mean absolute deviation. And remember, how to find mean absolute deviation, you have 3 steps. Step 1, you find the mean. Step 2, you subtract each number with the mean, and step 3, you find the mean again. You make your mean sandwich. So, first thing we're going to do is we are going to find the mean. So that means we got to add up these numbers and divide by 5. And the numbers add up to 430. Divide by 5 because there's 5 numbers. And when you do that, you should get 86. So 86 is the mean. I like to write it right here. Ooh, I wrote 84. I guess I should write 86. Next step is you have to subtract each number from 86 or with 86. So 86 minus 79 is 7. 86 minus 85 is 1. 86 minus 86 is 0. 86 minus 82 is 4, and 98 minus 86 is 12. So that's step 2. Last step is you add up, you find the mean of those numbers. So you have to add them up and divide by 5. So when I add them up, I have 12 plus 4 is 16, plus 0 is 16, plus 1 is 17, plus 7 is 24, and divide by 5. And when I do that, I get 4.8. which is the mean absolute deviation. Remember, the mean absolute deviation is the average distance each number is from the mean. In the next one, what is the area of the polygon below? Well, this is just a trapezoid, so we just need our formula, half times the height times base 1 plus base 2. So let's start with half times the height. The height is 9. See it right here. Times base 1 plus base 2. Times 15 plus 8. And when I type that into the calculator, I get 103.5 square inches. If you had it, give yourself a C. Don't forget the formula. Okay, third one. Milton softball team won 14 out of 16 games. What percent of their games did the softball team win? So 14 out of 16 is a fraction. So I'm going to write that as a fraction. Now, to figure out the percent, I'm going to start by dividing that. Remember, you divide 14 divided by 16. And if I do that, I get the decimal 0.875. Now, do not fall for trick and choose 875%. To change this to a percent, you have to move it twice to the right, which makes it 87.5%. And that rounds to 88%, which is B. All right, last one. Solve the expression below. If m is 4 and n is 9. So I'm going to start by doing some substitution. M is 4, so I have 4 minus 3 plus an n is 5. 9 times 5. And if I solve what's in parentheses, 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 times 5 is 45. 1 plus 45 is 46, which is C. That's it. Make sure you make any corrections. Leave yourself notes so you get the next side correct when it's graded. Thanks, guys.